Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our maths class. Remove page number 13 of your textbook, that is Discovering Maths. Now expanded form and number names. As we have seen, here number is 21. So from the right side, first number is ones and the second number is tens. Okay, so what is the expanded form? 2 tens means what is the place value of 2? 20 and plus 1, so 21. So come on, let's see. Next number, that is 22. So from the right side, first number is ones and the second number is tens. So the place value of 2 is 2 and the place value of 2 which is on tens place is 20. So what will be the extended form? 2 tens plus 2 tens and 2 ones. 2 tens and 2 ones means 2 tens means 20 plus 2 ones means 2, that is equal to 22. How you are going to write number name? 20 and 2. Let's take one more example. Suppose the number is 23. From the right side, first number is ones and the second number is tens. So what is the place value of 3? Is 3 because it is on ones place. What is the place value of 2? Place value of 2 is 20 because it's on tens place. So what is the expanded form? 2 tens. 2 tens plus 3 ones. So 2 tens means 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Come on, let's write number name. So 20. So first write 23. Hope you have understood. Let's read the next number. So same like that we have seen. The next number is 24. Expanded form is 2 tens plus 4 ones, that is 24. Next number is 25. 2 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 25. Then 26. 2 tens plus 6 ones, 26. 27. 2 tens plus 7 ones, 27. 28. 2 tens plus 8 ones, 28. 29. 2 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 29. 30 means 3 tens. So 30. Come on, let's try to solve practice zone 4. Match the number with their number names. So first here is 67. Come on, let's find 67. Here on the right side number names is given here, and on the left side numbers are given. We have to match that. So 67, come on, find out 67 here. Yes, on D it's 67. So we are going to write here D. Next is 55. So where is 55? Here. It's on C. So let's write C here. Then 43. Where is 43? 43 is on B. 88. Where is 88? 88 on E. Now see 31. So where is 31? It's on A. Turn the page. Page number 14. More, less and equal to 20 and 23. So which number is bigger or more? 23 is more. That's why fish mouth is open here on 23. Okay. Then 35 and 30. So 35 is bigger number. 35 is more than 30. That's why fish mouth is open here. Now 46 and 46. So both numbers are equal. So you have to put the equal sign. How do you notice that the fish mouth is open towards greater number? Come on, let's see this number. 20 and 23. So greater number is 23. That's why fish mouth is open here. Here 35 and 30 is there. 35 is more than 30. That's why 35. Now here 46 and 46 both are equal in numbers. No more, no less. Both are equal. So this is the sign of equal. When the numbers are equal, when the things are equal, you have to put this equal sign. Come on, let's try to solve practice zone 5. Fill in the correct sign towards greater or equal. Now see 11 and 15. So which number is more? Yes, 15 is more. Now B1, 26 and 30 is there. So which number is greater or more? 30. Now C1, 35 and 35. Which number is more or greater? Which number is less? No. In this number, no more and no less. Both are equal. So we have to put this sign for equal. Here 46 and 39 is there. So 46 is greater. Now 58 and 62 is there. So which number is greater? 62. 75 and 71. So here 75 is greater. 27 and 38. So 38 is greater. Here 62 and 62 are there. So both are equal. Now our next topic is increasing and decreasing order. So increasing order means in increasing order you have to arrange from smaller to larger, from smaller to bigger. So what is increasing order? Increasing order you have to arrange from smaller to bigger, from smaller number to a larger number. For example, you can see here blocks are there, smallest one, then big, more big, and then bigger. सबसे छोटा, उससे बड़ा and then सबसे बड़ा. Okay, so in increasing order we have to arrange from smaller to larger, from smaller to bigger. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Come on, now let's learn about decreasing order. Decreasing order means, yes, from bigger to smaller, from larger to smaller. Now you can see here, first is bigger, then little small, and the smallest one. So decreasing order means what? From bigger to smallest one. 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's a decreasing order. In decreasing order we have to arrange from larger number to the smallest number, and it's known as a decreasing order. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now remove page number 16. Let's solve practice zone 6. Write the following number in increasing order. Increasing means from smaller to bigger. So which one is the smallest number from this? 13. Then after 13, 14. After 14, 15. And after 15 the largest number is, the bigger number is 18. So write 18. So this is known as increasing order, from smaller number to larger number. Now second one, 23, 26, 22 and 29. So from these numbers, first we have to find out the smallest number. So smallest number is 22, then 23, then 26, and the larger number is 29. Let's see the next number, 40, 80, 50 and 60. So the smallest number is 40, then 50, then 60 and then 80. Now write the following number in decreasing order. Now before we have done the increasing order. Increasing, what we have done? From smaller to larger number we have arranged. Now in decreasing order, what we have to do? We have to arrange from larger number to smaller numbers. So from these numbers, which number is larger? 96. After that 68. After that 45, and the smallest number will come in the last. Okay, this is known as the decreasing order, from larger number to the smaller number. 48, 52, 98 and 73. So larger number is 98, then comes 73, then comes 52, then comes 48. Now let's see the next example, 27, 82, 36 and 41. 82 will come first because we are writing decreasing order and 82 is the larger number. Then comes 41, then comes 36, then comes 27. Hope you have understood. Now it's time for homework. Remove your my observation, page number 8. So today's homework on page number 8, question number 7, fill in the boxes with the correct symbol. Just you have to put the bigger, smaller or equal sign as we have just done in the class workbook, that is in your textbook. Then question number 8, write the following number in increasing order. So increasing order means what? You have to arrange these numbers in from smaller to larger one, from smaller to bigger one. Now see question number 9. So question number 9, write the following number in decreasing order. Here numbers are given, you have to arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Means you have to arrange this number from larger to smaller one. Okay, so today's homework is question number 7, 8 and 9. Hope you have understood everything. So complete your homework without any mistake. Thank you.